Today is Boxy Charm Day. All right, in February's box, we have this month's Boxy Charm seems to be Valentine's Day themed.
Aww.
We have hearts here, we have XOXO, very cute, predictable, but let's dive in. So the first thing we have is the Ace Beauty Nostalgia Palette. Now, this Nostalgia Palette consists of 15 colors meant to inspire fun and creativity, as well as make you feel nostalgic about some awesome past future times. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. And this retails for $38.99. All right, so let's actually look at the palette. The packaging for the palette is very like Hawaiian themed. Got some nice like deep greens on the cover. And then we open it up and yeah, it's very tropical feeling. I like this. It's very bright. It's very fun. I dig it. I dig it. This green up here is kind of stands out, which is kind of interesting. I'm really drawn to this really vibrant orange and this really vibrant like magenta down here. So maybe we'll try a look with those colors later on. So let's just do a couple swatches real quick to see how it feels. I know I've gotten Ace Beauty stuff in BoxyCharm before. It seems to be one of the sort of repeat brands, but let's see what we got. So let's try this orange and this pink, the ones I want to try later. So as you can see, it's very vibrant. And then I just like to swatch it on my forearm there. Yeah, that's coming through really well. And then we also have this, that was Vacation, the orange color. We also have this very magenta color, and this is Flip Flops. Okay, yeah. Yeah, very pigmented. They feel very soft, and I dig it. So that is the Ace Beauty Nostalgia Palette. Let's see here. Next up, we have Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. Where are you? Here it is. So this is a nice size bottle, I will say. Got pores? Get this. Created with powerhouse ingredients like pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel, this scrub helps target blackheads to deeply purify and minimize the look of pores. And this retails for $32. Now, I've gotten one other Tula thing from BoxyCharm before, and I really liked it. So I'm excited to try this out. Okay, confession, I did open this box last night just to see what was in it. And because there tends to be skincare things, I have to try those out at night. So I did try this out last night, and I did like it. We'll go ahead and open it so you guys can kind of see how the project actually looks from like a texture standpoint. Here it is. It's kind of, you can kind of see it's got these like beads in it. And that's, I guess, like the volcanic sand and the pink salt and stuff. But I will say using it last night, it was very exfoliating and it felt very nice. But then once you wash it off, your skin feels so nice. And it has a very like energetic, happy scent to it. Really like that. Of course, only after one use of using a blackhead scrub, you're not going to like see immediate results, but I will say it left my skin feeling very nice after use. You're supposed to use it, I think, 2 to 3 times per week, but I have high hopes for this. Next in the box, we have Wander Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek. Let's see, where is that? So here is the Wander Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek. Get ready to take your lips and cheek on a double date. This lightweight duo pairs a sheer tint with a universal balm that can be used alone or layered on lips and cheeks. The sheer tint blends effortlessly onto skin, while the clear, shimmer-free balm provides comfortable hydration and glow. And this retails for $22. All right, so let's check this out. Here's a little closer look for those of you. Let's kind of shine it in the light so you can see it. So basically, it's kind of like a 2-tier situation. You have the like rosy sheer tint at the top, and then you have the balm non-shimmer that they kept saying balm at the bottom. So let's go ahead and try these on my lips. We are going to, it has a little mirror in there too, which is kind of nice. So we're going to apply the balm first onto the lips. It feels nice. Doesn't have any scent at all, which that could be a positive or negative. I would appreciate it if it had a little bit of a scent to it because I like that. But I understand that some people don't like scents and they prefer things to just stay neutral. So this is definitely the safe way for Wander Beauty to go. All right, so we have the balm on. Yeah, there's a little bit of like a shine to the lips now. It feels nice. It feels pretty nice. And then for the like pinkish sheer tint, once again, no scent at all. Let's go ahead and put this on the lips. There's not a mirror for the top part though. That's interesting. So I have to like use it and then turn it over to kind of see what's happening if you don't have another mirror. But at least there is a mirror, I suppose. Okay, so we have it on the lips. It is, as you can see, very, very sheer, but that's kind of nice because it's just kind of giving an evenness to my lips now, whereas before I have really bad chapped lips, as you can probably see, and therefore there's areas that's going to be a little bit more red or whatever, and this kind of just neutralizes that some, which I appreciate, but it's not like, hey, look, I have something on my lips right now. You know, if you want something very subtle, and more natural, this is really cool. So it is a lip and cheek duo. So I think now we need to try it on the cheeks. I'm going to grab a bigger mirror for those. Okay, so for the cheeks, I'm just going to kind of tap it on, I think. We'll see how it goes. I don't want to like put on too much. Oh, that's pretty nice. Okay, so can we see a difference? Yeah, we can. Look, there's a little bit of a rosiness there that's not present on this side. So let's go ahead and add a little bit to the other side. Just kind of tap it on and then tapping it to blend it out. Yeah. Wow, that's nice. It just adds a little bit of rosy color to it. I'm very impressed with this one. I love these sort of things that just like enhance your look a little bit and give you a little bit of extra confidence without, you know, being like, I can't wear this to the grocery store or something. Next up, we have Hand Skin. I don't like the name of that. This is a big bottle, y'all. I'm impressed with that. So developed by the investors of K-Beauty's first BB cream, this hydrating essence helps you achieve glass skin with sodium hyaluronate, a powerful moisturizer capable of holding up to 1,000 times its weight in water. This cushiony, non-sticky formula instantly quenches and restores your skin's natural glow. And this MSRP is at $46. This is the most expensive thing in this box this month. Like I said, I'm very impressed with the size of it. And on the front, you know, it's saying all the sort of things like it's free of these harmful ingredients and whatnot. But let's go ahead and try to put this on. I probably should have put this on before I put on this like sheer rosy blush stuff, but that's okay. So we're just going to pour some into the palm of my hand. It's pretty watery, but at the same time, I know you guys can't really see this on camera, but it's slightly thicker than water. But it's like it said, it's not like sticky or anything like that or gooey. It actually, that's a kind of a nice feeling. So we're just going to kind of rub it in. So kind of rub it on the forehead. Let's see. I will admit I did try this one before bed last night as well because it is more of a skincare product and it felt nice. You know, once again, I feel like I'd have to use this, you know, get it into my routine to really see any differences. But like so far, I didn't have any like bad reactions to it. It felt nice on the skin. It doesn't, once again, it doesn't really have a scent. There's a lot of scentless stuff in here this time. Lastly, in the box, we have our St. Lux Beauty Limited Edition Liner Duo. So this lip liner duo makes lip shaping easier than ever with a creamy, long-lasting, and hydrating formula. The liner smoothly glides onto lips and blends with little to no effort. Achieve a fuller look by overlining lips just above the natural lip line to get a plump, kissable look. This MSRP's at $40. Now that does seem a little expensive. In the box, we have these two lip liners and yeah, they're two lip liners. I don't know if I would pay $20 each per lip liner. Like that's just me though. I'm just gonna quickly draw this on my hand so we can, okay. Oh, it comes on, oh my gosh. So it comes on really nicely. It's very pigmented. This is a very sharp point. If you can see that, I appreciate that. That's really fantastic. The shade names are Love Letter and Secret Admirer. Secret Admirer is a little bit darker. I like how they're both like sort of nude tones though, or very neutral. So we'll try these out later once we do more of a eye and lip makeup look. So that is everything from the box. First impressions, I will say I am impressed with this box. I think the eyeshadow palette looks really nice. And I was particularly very impressed with this Wander Beauty thing, which upon first seeing it, I was like, oh, come on. Like, I wasn't sure what to think of this. I've never had something like this, and I really like it. The skincare stuff seems very high quality, and it's in really good size amounts. Like, this is awesome. I will give an official rating for each product at the end of the video. And with all that being said, I am now going to apply the Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette to my face and the lip liners along with some other sort of lipstick or lip gloss, and I will be right back.
2,000 years later.
And we're back, and this is the final look using the products that I got in the box, plus a few others, of course. You know, with the color combination of using that really bright orange and that really bright fuchsia color, I'm kind of getting Mardi Gras vibes, especially with the shapes that I drew with the eyeliner. Mardi Gras mixed with Halloween, and I dig it. Okay, now that we've done the look, let's take a moment to revisit each product and give some final thoughts. First up is the Ace Beauty Nostalgia Palette. I think this was a home run. The color story is fantastic. You can do a lot with this. And honestly, while I was using it, I had no problems. The pigmentation was there. It was very blendable. It just worked exactly how you would want it to. The only criticism I have for this palette would be the shimmer shades in here. They just weren't shimmery enough for me. They weren't sparkly enough. I needed a little bit more pop from them. But that being said, there is only 1, 2, 3 shimmer shades in here in total. The rest are mattes, and the mattes are flawless. Would I recommend somebody buy this product outside of the Boxy Charm box? Definitely. Next up, we have one of our skincare items, the Tula So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. Now, it's always hard to judge a skincare product from just one-time use, but just from the one-time use, I'm very excited about this product. It smelled amazing. The exfoliating qualities about it were really great. My skin felt amazing afterwards. I will definitely be using this again, and I'm excited about it. And I know that Tula's a great brand, so I would recommend this to everyone else. The other skincare item that we got was the Real Complexion Skin Essence. And while I'm not as jazzed about this one as I was the Tula one, I still think it's a great product. And I can't complain about the size that it is for a BoxyCharm box. I will definitely be using this, and I will use it all. It's so easy to just apply this right before you put on moisturizer. So we'll see how it is over time. But if I had to choose this or the Tula, I would definitely have chosen the Tula this round. Probably the winner of the box for me would be the Wander Beauty Lip and Cheek Duo. I just think this is so great. I never thought I would like something so small and so like, I never thought I would like something like this, but it really is kind of magical. I mean, the balm works great. I wish there was a scent to it, but it's just a really good standard balm at the bottom. But really the sheer pink like color at the top is where it's at. It looks amazing on the cheeks. I have it on the cheeks here. It looked amazing on the lips earlier, just to kind of like neutralize lip colors. Really love this product. And at $22, how can you beat it? Last but not least is the St. Lux lip liners. I think that these are really great. I think the formula is amazing. My problem usually with lip liners is that I think that they're usually too soft and that usually the tips will break, or, you know, it's just hard to control. These are actually a bit more firm, which I appreciate. It makes the precision for lining the lips a lot easier. So the formula is amazing. My only drawback is that it's 2 for $40. I don't know if I would pay that again. I feel like I could find something comparable to this cheaper, but if you have the extra money laying around, you know, I think this is a really solid product. So that is everything in the February box. I have to say, I think I really lucked out. There wasn't a single product in here where I was just like meh about. I can see myself reusing each of these again and again. If you got BoxyCharm this month, what came in your box and did it differ at all from the products I received? How do you like what you got? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel so I know to continue to make content like this for you in the future. Thank you so much for tuning in, and catch you next time.